Hi guys! Recently I saw a YouTube video by graphic design with Alina, and she did an envelope with flowers, and she used Adobe Illustrator for her presentation. And I wanted to see if I can do the same with Canva. So this is an inspiration from that designer. So a big shout out to her. So let's get started and see what we can come up with in Canva. I used my mobile phone to record this. So I'm using the mobile version of Canva. So basically it's the same. You just launch the Canva app, okay, and you start creating a design, and you can use the normal customization that I use for 1000 by 4000. Now we are going to add an envelope as an element. I want to use an open envelope because we want the flowers to be like popping out. So choose one of the envelopes. There are many variations, and if you don't like the color, doesn't matter. There are so many options. You can change the colors, you can change the shadow background with it. I'm just going to tilt it a little bit, and we are going to add the flowers. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can just use the color picker. It's very easy to use in mobile apps also. It's very similar to what we actually do in on desktop. Okay, so I'm going to search for some wildflowers. There are many options. You have the sketchy types, the watercolor types, and a lot. So we will just choose something. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this looks nice. Basically what we want to do is we want to like make a cohesive set of flowers. We want to see we want some of them to be popping out, some of them to be drooping out. Okay, so we choose from various colors and various designs, but they should actually look a bit more cohesive when you actually see it overall. That's the basic idea. So just play around. These are some of the flowers I actually managed to find. Okay, you can search for wildflowers, you can search for twigs, branches, eucalyptus leaves, dried branches, dried twigs, etc. There will be a lot of options, or you can try watercolor variations of these as well. So what we are basically doing is we are going to maybe we'll find a few, and then we will duplicate them to create more copies of those. And once we have that, we will just continue and arrange these items such that they look like very presentable, or how to say, they look like it is coming out of the envelope. Basically that's the idea. Okay, once you're happy with it, we want to add some gift bowl. Okay, so we have this we're just going to add this, and just align that a little bit. And I want to change the color of this as well. I want to change this into another color so that it's not like we have copy pasted or we are just taking the element as it is. So I'm going to make some changes to this ribbon. I'll just align it first, and then we will do a color change. I'm using the app called the Tone to make the change. It is available in Canva. Just if you want to find out more about it, just go through my previous video. I have made a very detailed video on how you can use it. Okay, I'm going to add a blank tag to this envelope so as to write the message. You can write things like best wishes, with love, yours sincerely, etc. Okay, I'm just going to make some alignment changes. Just flip it around a little bit, or turn it up, or whatever you want to do with it. Just play around with it like we always do. Canva is super fun, guys. You should play around with it a lot more to find out whatever is hidden within Canva elements. There are so much things in Canva elements that every day I'm learning new things. So I'm still arranging. Okay, looks good. So I'm going to add some text to it. Okay, let me just write. I'm going to type in with love, and I want to use a font that is cohesive with this entire look. So I want to use something that is cursive, it looks handwritten. So I have a lot of fonts uploaded. I will be using the authorized signature font for this. Okay, now it looks nice. Yeah, so basically that's it, guys. So here are some of the other variations that I have done to take a look. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Get a 30-day free trial link in the description box below for Canva Pro account.